it looks very dark afterwards, and you will spread it into the roots and all the way to the scalp. Just massage it in just the same way you apply shampoo. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlotta. If you're new here, do hit the subscribe. And in this video I'm gonna share with you a few simple steps on how I dye my hair lavender at home. Now, I've done this quite a few times. I made mistakes in the past, I learned from them, and I learned some tips and tricks as well. So I thought to share that in this video with you guys. Keep watching. It's 5 simple steps. And we're gonna start with unpacking the box and seeing what's inside and how to mix it. As you can see here, I'm using L'Oréal Preference Extreme Platinum. And all of these little bottles have a number on them, so it's really easy to mix this and to put it together in the right order. So first goes the powder, and then goes the lightening cream, and then you mix it up. So you want to shake it well enough to make sure all the powders inside gets well mixed in. I think that's pretty good. Yeah. Close the lid again. Remove the top bit. Like that. Ooh, and some will come out from the shaking. So this is the package. This is what it looks like. L'Oréal Paris Extreme Platinum Anti-Yellow. It used to look like this, so if you used to use this package, it's exactly the same. It's just a different photo. And here are the levels. Now, while I do my hair, I'm gonna share with you 5 things that is very important to know when you are doing this. So, the first thing might be obvious, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Remove your earrings and anything that you are afraid of getting stained or damaged, because this is quite strong. It is bleach. And also don't wear your favorite clothes or tops. Any old t-shirt will do. Yeah, because obviously it will stain your clothes. So if you have anything, a mat on the floor or something like that, remove anything that you are afraid of getting damaged. Second one, what makes it easier to get into the roots is to section your hair. Just like I did in the last video, I usually make 3 sections and it's not so precise. I use a comb like this and then section it into 3 sections. 2 on the side and 1 in the back. Let's see if I can spin this into some sort of a bun here. The other side, and you see this is roughly a month worth of roots. So third one, don't do this straight on newly washed hair. I would say day 2 is a good one. And again, spin it up in a bun. Out. And someone commented on the last video asking how I do the back. She said that she always gets it damaged because she puts too much, and that is obviously you will need to see your back. So I have 2 angled mirrors like this, and then I can see the back of my head through this mirror over here, or the other way around. And then that makes it easier to do it the same way I do on the sides. So obviously I just put on the roots and then section it up again and put it into the roots. So it's exactly the same way. Now you take some and you apply it straight to the head. Oh! One thing I nearly forgot. So before you start applying it, do remember to wear your gloves. Third thing, wear the gloves. I used to be lazy with this part. I used to not really bother, but it does damage. It damages your skin. You will have burnt skin, and it will damage your nails as well. So these days I always wear gloves to protect your fingers. Okay, I think we are ready for the color. Let's apply this to the back. And I'll put a section over like that. So this is what I do. I look through the mirror and then I cover the darker parts like that. And I'll put to the side as well like that. The fourth thing you need to know is once you start applying it, you have roughly 10 minutes to get it all over your head, because otherwise you won't get it even, and it will obviously start working straight away. So don't waste too much time when you apply it, do it straight away. So now I'm just gonna speed this up for the back, and then I'll speak to you in a second. Okay, so I have now applied this to all of the roots, and obviously these are already bleached, so I don't need to put it in here. Now another tip, because bleaching your hair, it dries your hair a lot. So to keep it moist and to keep it healthy, I add coconut oil into the lengths while I put the bleach in. So I take quite a bit of oil and I apply it straight to my hair. It's gonna look super greasy and that is for a good cause. I never put oil to my roots because it will get too greasy, but to the lengths, definitely if you bleach your hair, coconut oil does great for it. So I'm putting coconut oil into all of the lengths while I leave the color in. And this I do sometimes, even when I'm not dyeing my hair. I put coconut oil straight into the lengths and leave it in for a while before I have a shower. Okay, so I will leave this color in for 25 minutes. Wash it out, and then I'm gonna apply some of this purple shampoo. So this is how it looks like halfway through. Now you can see it is still pretty yellow. So let's see how this will work out. Will it be a complete fail, or will this yellow go away? I'll leave it in for another 15 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out and apply the shampoo. So fingers crossed this will still go out, because this looks horrible. Horrible, horrible, I'm telling you. But yeah, still halfway through, so I think it'll be okay. It looks quite okay here in the back actually, where it's been longer. So I left it in for the maximum of 45 minutes to get the max effect. It said between 30 to 45 minutes, but I'm not gonna leave it any longer now because I am afraid of damaging it. So I'm gonna wash this out and then apply the purple shampoo. Alright, so I washed it out and you can see that it is still a tiny bit yellowish. Now this color comes with an anti-yellow conditioner, number 4. But what I've noticed with these packages is these conditioners aren't super strong, and it does tend to leave the hair still a little bit yellow. So how I got around that is I started using this shampoo. As you can see, I've used quite a lot of it, and this is not the first package. I do recommend this one. So I will apply this one now. If you want your hair to be more lavender shade, then you leave it in longer. If you just want to get the platinum look and just get rid of the yellow, then you leave it in for about 3 to 5 minutes. But you can have it in for longer and have this kind of lavender shade to it as well. So let's do that now. Now don't be scared of this, it looks very dark, but I promise you it won't be this dark afterwards, and you will spread it into the roots and all the way to the scalp. Just massage it in just the same way you apply shampoo. And again, you don't want this on white towels or on the mat or anything like that, because this one does, again, it stains. It is meant to color your hair, so it will color anything bright in color. It won't show on black, but it will show on anything lighter. So mind your sheets, mind your clothes, mind your towels. And apply, apply, apply everywhere. I'm gonna take some more and just get a really thick layer all over the roots. Because it's the roots that are mostly yellow, the lengths are fine. So I'll get some more over here. And then once I've applied it, I'm gonna clear it off the skin, because it does tend to dye the skin as well. Just try to spread it fairly evenly so you don't get any lumps or any sort of purple, darker purple stains. You want it to be fairly even. So apply, 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 and spread it, spread it, spread it. Now I'm gonna clear my forehead from this purple. It's a good idea to use gloves as well, because this will stain your nails. I didn't use it now. I'll just take a bit of tissue paper, I dip it in coconut oil, and I'll remove the color from my skin. Just find that the color comes off really easily when you use coconut oil. So I'm clearing the skin. Like that. And then I'm gonna apply it to the rest of the hair. Alright, so I have applied the purple shampoo to all of my hair. And to make this video a little bit different than the one that I posted last time, I decided to leave it in a little bit longer. I'm gonna leave it in for 15 minutes and get that kind of lavender shade. Now let's see how it turns out. So I washed out the shampoo, and it's actually not that purple. It's not really that proper like lavender. I guess I could have left it in a little bit longer, but I was also a bit worried that it will be too much. I mean, you saw the thumbnail, right? It was very dark purple. I put a lot of that shampoo in it, and I was just a little bit stressed that it will go too purple. So yeah, I washed it out, and this is how it turned out. So this is after 15 minutes of keeping that shampoo in my hair, and I'm actually very happy with this as well. Even though I expected a little bit more of a lavender shade, I kind of like this. It's white, it's not yellow. If you would have only used the hair dye, it would have still stayed a bit yellow. So I do recommend using that purple shampoo. I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions or any comments, do leave them below. And if you're new to my channel and if you like this kind of content, hit subscribe, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye! Okay.